What if I told you the next market crash won't look like 2008, and it won't look like 2020 either? This crash will be bigger, faster, and most people won't even see it coming. Right now, smart investors are watching three warning signs. If you ignore them, you could lose years of progress. But if you understand them, this crash could change your life forever. Let's break it down. Every major crash in history had the same pattern: too much optimism, too much easy money, and people believing this time is different. Dot-com bubble, housing crisis, COVID crash. Different reasons, same behavior. And today, we're seeing that behavior again. Stocks are expensive. Real estate is expensive. Crypto had extreme hype. When prices rise faster than income, that's a red flag. Many companies today are not profitable, have massive debt, still trade at insane valuations. History lesson: when valuation disconnects from reality, gravity always wins. Stocks are expensive. Real estate is expensive. Crypto had extreme hype. When prices rise faster than income, that's a red flag. Many companies today are not profitable, have massive debt, still trade at insane valuations. History lesson: when valuation disconnects from reality, gravity always wins. Governments are drowning in debt. Companies are addicted to cheap loans. Consumers are maxing out credit cards. Low interest rates made borrowing feel painless. But now rates are rising. That means higher loan payments, lower spending, slower growth. When markets go up, everyone becomes an expert. Risk feels invisible. Caution feels stupid. Taxi drivers talk stocks. Social media promises easy money. People say, you can't lose. That's the most dangerous signal of all, because markets punish confidence, not fear. Smart investors don't panic, they prepare. They build cash reserves, invest slowly, not emotionally. Focus on quality assets, think long-term, not headlines. Crashes don't destroy wealth, they transfer it from the impatient to the prepared. This crash could be scary, or it could be your biggest opportunity ever. The difference? Education and patience. If you want to learn how smart money moves before crashes, subscribe to the channel. Because when the panics start, you'll want to already have a plan.